Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Yukon XL Denali in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our Denali stitching along the middle. And if we follow our stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. Of course, up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At the bottom here you'll find our dual climate controls, our wireless charging pad to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 cup holders, our adjustable middle console here, additional storage up top. You'll find the controls right here. Just push up, this will come all the way back for additional space and storage. Making our way along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings, and if we take a look up in the windshield here, you'll find our heads-up display. To the left of the steering wheel you'll find our park brake, 360 cameras, park sensors, drive modes, automatic high beam controls, and our trailer brake controls. Moving along to the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, heated steering wheel controls, and our menu selector here in the middle. On the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings, forward collision alert, and our super cruise that does require an active subscription. To the right of the steering wheel you'll find our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. And if we throw it into reverse, you'll see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside a rear view camera, and all of your settings here down below. Up top we have our rear view mirror, digital display that you can turn on and off with a flick of a switch to your liking. And last but not least, up top we do have our power controls for our middle console, like I mentioned earlier. We also do have our power seat controls, and last but not least, our sunroof controls for our lovely sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with our adjustable armrests as well. Our seat controls here on the left or right side, depending on what side you're sitting on. And if we take a look here in the middle, we do have our heated seat controls, our USB-C and HDMI ports, climate controls, AC outlet down below, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies with additional storage. Up top we have our infotainment screens in the back that are HDMI capable. And if we retract these seats, you'll see we have 3 seats in the back that do come equipped with a cup holder on each side and a USB-C charge port. Checking out the exterior here on the Yukon XL, of course we have our classic Denali chrome grille with our GMC badge in the middle, front-facing camera, LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. Looking down to our tires, we do have our Bridgestone tires. Up top we have our power adjustable side mirrors with blinkers integrated along the side with our camera at the bottom. Chrome Denali badging on our door, as well as chrome accents along our handles with keyless entry, chrome on our roof rails and our windows here, tint in the rear windows. And if you make our way all the way to the back, you'll find more chrome accents with our quad chrome exhaust, Denali badging in the middle. If we open up the lift gate here, it'll come up automatically. Plenty of storage and space inside, hooks on each side to strap in anything you might need. Our power seat controls here on the right hand side, additional storage down below. To control this, just hold the button down. These will come down no problem to really maximize our space here in the Yukon. And that is our 2026 GMC Yukon XL Denali in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.